Hi, it's Brian Rossi, and I'm going to bring you inside for another quick sneak peek behind the scenes at the construction progress for Holy Cross Hospital right here at 12800 Middlebrook Road in Germantown, Maryland. So come along.
So we've just jumped onto the other side of the main entrance, and here's the reception area. We'll take a pan across to these storage areas and closets. Down this main hallway, there are several exam rooms. Nurses' stations, some private administrative offices, this big open room, another exam room that's going to be finished soon. There's break rooms, another exam room. As you can see, the ceiling grid is in, some of the light fixtures. And another look from the outside of the main entrance across the hallway. Thanks again for taking this quick update tour of the new Holy Cross Hospital medical space at 12800 Middlebrook Road. Call for more information on availability.